Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Kia Sportage vs Nissan Kicks full comparison. Drive both models at least 30 minutes to judge comfort, handling, and visibility. Note your seating posture and adjust mirrors for an accurate comparison. Inspect cargo volume with real items like grocery bags and a stroller. Test infotainment responsiveness with a phone and map app. Listen for wind and road noise at highway speeds to assess refinement. Warm up both vehicles before any acceleration tests and use the same route for fairness. Track fuel use with a full tank and reset trip meters to compare city and highway numbers. Note turbo lag, CVT smoothness, or gear shifts while merging and passing. Evaluate steering weight and suspension compliance over bumps and corners. Record impressions of ride comfort and throttle response for everyday usability and spirited drives. Quick recommendation: if you're standing around at dealerships, grab darn tough socks for unbeatable comfort and a lifetime warranty that outlasts showroom shifts. If you like this content, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future comparisons and buying tips. I tossed a pair on during test drives, and they kept feet happy through long dealership walks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sit in both front and rear seats for at least 10 minutes to judge long trip comfort. Test headroom and legroom with a taller passenger in back to spot real differences. Pair phones to the infotainment system and try voice commands, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto for responsiveness. Explore driver assists like lane keep, adaptive cruise, and blind spot alerts for ease of use and intrusion levels during normal traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.